Anyways, I am looking forward to talking with you about how you can connect with quantum healing. What is quantum healing? Healing in the future. There is no separation by distance or time that hinders our healing with quantum healing, and there's no boxes of what we can and can't do. You are the limit of your own healing journey, and you hold the answers inside yourself to the root causes of your imbalances. And together, we work together to release and transmute the energy so your body can go back to balance. It sounds simple. It's very complex and deep, broad, expansive. It goes through space, time, ancestry, through your whole spirit journey. And we release the density that is holding you down and giving you symptoms that are uncomfortable. So I just connect telepathically with clients. I'm not using any other sources to connect into, unless sometimes I'll connect directly to source, pure source, or if there is, sometimes I've had animals come through, maybe your pet will come through. It just depends on what is surfacing today for you that you're open to receive and let me connect to. I never force my way. And that's why I always ask permission. People get offended by that. I had someone say it was so witchy that I ask for permission to connect to your subconscious on my website. And I'm giving you full disclosure of what a lot of people don't ask permission to do. They just tap into your energy without your permission. Well, it's very important that I maintain integrity in my work, and I will never connect to you without permission. Just so you know that. So that energy is shifted and transmuted. Lisa, give your body 2 to 3 days to fully process and integrate what we did. So thank you for letting me connect. If you have any questions, feel free to put those in the chat. If I get a chance, I will connect in. How can you connect with quantum healing this week? This session I offer about once a month. I used to do it weekly, but it's a very draining session for me, and it takes a very long time compared to my other sessions. Well, if they stole your future, your timeline, something that was meant for you, it's going to be restored back to you. And if they fall flat as a result of that, and you're feeling guilty about it, I mean, you're going to have to process that on your own. But for me, I don't consent to anyone taking my path or hijacking my energy. That is vampire energy, vampire parasitic activity. So no, thank you.